Hi everyone, I hope you guys are having an awesome start to your week. So for today, we're going to continue talking about half-lives, okay? Um, and we're going to see how to solve for half-lives. I know I went over this on Friday, but I'm going to review tomorrow so that we can do an assignment tomorrow over half-lives, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to present my screen so you guys can kind of follow along with what I'm doing. Okay, so a half-life. Now, what a half-life is it's the half of the life that radioactive material decays, okay, and becomes a new element. Okay, so let's say you start with 100% of nitrogen. After one half-life, you're going to be left with 50% of nitrogen. The other 50% decayed, so that decayed and became carbon. So that's one half-life. A second half-life would make that into 25%, which means 75% decayed. A third half-life would be 12.5, etc. Okay? So a question I have for you is, let's say the entire, from 100% to the 12.5, the entire thing lasted 30 minutes. How long is each half-life? Now, if you need to pause the video, you can pause the video. But the answer is 10, because this one would last 10 minutes. This one would last 10 minutes. This one would last 10 minutes. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. A different type of question you might see tomorrow is, let's say you start with 24 grams of nitrogen. 24 grams of nitrogen. How much would you end up with over here? Okay, well, what's half of 24? What's half of 12? What's half of 6? And that is your answer. That's how many grams are left of the nitrogen. Okay? And that's what we went over today. Okay? Went over some significant figures, or went over some half-lives and how half-lives apply. Okay? So if you guys have questions, please feel free to let me know. Send me an email. I would love to set up a Google Meet and we can go over this. But there's not an assignment today. I will post an assignment tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we'll review over this. And so yeah, okay. All right. Yeah, that's all I got. I was trying to think of something else, but I drawn a blank. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And we will see you tomorrow.